Hey cachers, Derek here, Big Six Clan. Another great event coming up. It's Going Caching, and I'm going to be talking to some of the people that are putting Going Caching together right here on Behind the Cache. Alright, so I am with Andy and Jim, the organizers of Going Caching. Now, what do we got planned for us this year?
Well, this year we're doing our themes pirates, so what we're looking at is getting everybody into Rome, Georgia to be pirates, and we're going to, in our registration, when you get to register, you'll register onto a ship. So you'll be part of a crew of 7 unique ships.
Yeah, each one will have their own Jolly Roger, their own, I guess, crew colors, and it's just going to be a ton of fun.
That sounds a lot of fun. I mean, I've never been on a crew of a ship. I've been on a ship, but never a crew on a ship. That sounds really cool. I know I'm looking forward to coming out and Going Caching. The pirate theme this year. What other, can you give us a little bit of a tease of something else that might be happening?
It's a message in a bottle is kind of the underlying theme, so you'll see a lot of kind of some of our puzzles and games and things will center around secret messages, bottles, and then of course the usual pirate stuff, treasure chests, and you'll get to plunder for a challenge that we're doing. So
it's actually several days of events. We start out, of course, a package pickup on Wednesday nights, kind of an early bird thing, and then things really kick off on Thursday. We'll have a Thursday evening flash mob, which is going to be a pirate parade down Broad Street, downtown Rome, Georgia. So they're going to block the streets off, and we're going to parade in pirate costume and have a lot of fun with that. And then on Friday we do our challenge event, which you get a passport, go around and do certain geocaches, and everybody that completes that gets a challenge geocoin. And then Friday night is our big stage play that we do each year, and of course it's, we'll have a big pirate ship on the stage, and you'll see some zany acting, and we're all geocachers, not professionals, but that's a lot of fun. And and then there's the trading card puzzle that we have, and that's another challenge type event, but you go around, get certain clues, and that gets you everything you need then to get into our escape rooms that are built on stage. And so you go through there and you puzzle your way through. This is going to be, again, on a pirate ship. And then of course the mega event, always Saturday, we'll have different breakout sessions, and I'll do a puzzle class. You don't have to enjoy puzzles to come to Going Caching, but we do have a lot of puzzles. And so I'll teach some of the ones that if people are having a little trouble solving a certain puzzle that we hid, we'll help them out. And then we have this, the pre-event shirt is a puzzle itself, and if you solve the shirt and the first to find on that cache, that's a $100 FTF prize.
Oh wow! So
and that puzzle on the back, and it actually this year comes with a treasure map that you need.
It's also bragging rights. We've traditionally done the puzzle shirt since 2013, and there's the same groups. Every year we add to it. There's new groups working on it, but it's big time bragging rights. You can solve this.
So if you're one of those FTF hounds, you might want to get a shirt and get it theirs, because it sounds like there might be some competition for you to get that $100. I mean, hey, actual cash in a cache. Hello, come on. All right, so what are the dates of Going Caching this year?
It's October 2nd through the 6th, and it's 8 events across 5 days.
All right, so October 2nd through the 6th, 8 events, 5 days. All right, don't miss it. I'm gonna be out there. I look forward to being there. I wanted to go last year, but my nephew got married, so I had to kind of be in Arizona for that. Sorry, Jacob, if you're watching this. I sacrificed, okay, dude? All right. So, hey, if this is the first time you've watched Behind the Cache, click that subscribe button right over here. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know about if you're going to Going Caching. Go to Going Caching. I mean, hey, go to Going Caching. It's going to be awesome. Let us know. What's the GC code for it this year?
It is GC82BHK.
Okay, check out the GC code. Get registered. Start solving those puzzles. Remember, solve the pre-registration shirt puzzle. find it, be the FTF, get $100, cash in the cash. All right, so I'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cash.